Selling is all about pushing the right psychological triggers. So, a question I'm asked very frequently is how can I inject urgency into my webinar marketing? Well, the answer is very simple, but the key point is that when you have a prospect who comes to your landing page, you want them to enroll then and there. You don't want them to go away, because if they go away, their chances of coming back and enrolling are minuscule. So it's really important to make them want to enroll straight away. And the way to do this, or one of the ways to do this, is to make them feel that they might be missing out on something. But you can't do this either artificially or make it sound spammy or scammy or whatever. So a very simple way is to add a countdown timer to your landing page. Now, this isn't difficult to do. There's no CSS programming or anything else like that required. I actually use lead pages. This is not a pitch for lead pages, but I'll show you a couple of lead pages templates here. This is one that it's encouraging you to sign up now, and then you can see that there are two different webinars being offered here, and you can sign up to one, and you've got a countdown timer to when the webinars are coming on. Another place where you can put a countdown timer is when you come to your webinar replay. And here you can encourage people to buy the replay if you're selling it, or then you may simply just be showing it, but they then can see that the time is counting down before which they need to take action, otherwise they're going to miss out. So let me help you a little bit further by showing you a few words that you can put into your marketing copy to help your prospects want to sign up sooner rather than later, not to leave it behind. And these are words which will inject further urgency into the copy and into the marketing of your webinar. So by all means, obviously lift these. I'll make sure the PDF is attached to the slide deck. The whole key point about this is that you want to try to make the prospect feel that they might miss out on something. And buyer's remorse is when a prospect actually misses a deal and then they look back and they think, oh, I wish I'd bought that. And what you're trying to do is to make them worry about suffering from buyer's remorse. Make them worry that if they don't take action now, they're going to miss out. So apart from the little copywriting bonus, the main point about this is to put in a countdown timer. And as they see that countdown timer clicking down, that will make them feel that there needs to be a sense of urgency in their decision to enroll in your webinar. So how can you inject urgency? The simple answer is to include a countdown timer and give them the feeling that they might be missing out on something.